Hey, what's up? Take that device. Okay, I got a little setup there, but this is Marisa coming to you. It's been a while, yes, but I've been busy working, learning, trying to grow my businesses. So, just a lot has been taking fire. And it's been pulling me in all different kind of directions. And, my daughter, she just started a new class. She just got promoted in her school. So I am so excited for her, and life is just going on. But in the meantime, in the midst of all of this, I have been, taking some training that I invested in. And one of the things that I had ran into was the thought of what is the internet millionaire formula. Now, this formula can be applied to any business that is online, whether you're doing direct sales or you have your own business, if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're doing print on demand, whatever you have going on in your business, this formula can be applied. So it's not just, it goes across the board. So first of all, I'm learning all of this through a box system that is a marketing system that I had invested in, and it's called the Super Affiliate Network. Now, this is definitely one that it's self-training, but you have support. You have a group of people that you work with, and it's for those that are serious about growing their business. And I could give you some more information on that later, but to this formula. So the formula has 7 steps that you follow. And the first step, this is a formula that you use to grow your online presence, to reach your target audience, and to grow your business. So the first one is that you have to find a need or a problem for the people that you are working with, or that you would like to service, or you would like to market yourself to. Find out what is their need or problem, because most people are online. They're like, what is it that this person is going to do for me to get my money out, get my card, and buy something from them, or want to utilize their services. So find a need or a problem. Some people have a need or problem such as losing weight. Address that problem. That is what's going to catch everyone's attention. Okay, so once you find the need or problem, now you're going to create a solution. Find or create a solution for your target audience. Now, this is the formula to make more conversions, to make more sales, and to grow your business. The third step is to set up a sales system. So once you get, you caught the person's attention, like, okay, your problem is you having an issue with losing weight. I have these great products here that will help you curb your appetite, give you more energy, get rid of the bloatiness, etc., etc. I'm just giving you an example. So once you've caught their attention, they're like, okay, I'm interested. You're going to set up your sales system. Now, your sales system is where you are going to gather it's your capture page. You're going to get their information so that you can keep in contact with them, and you can add them to your email list, because it's all about building your list. Step 4, you're going to give away something free of value. So it could be, how to eat right tip, or ways to fit exercise into your day, or even something about the product, the weight loss product that you're going to help them. I'm using health and wellness as the target for the purposes of explaining the internet millionaire formula. Step 5 is you're going to offer the solution. So how is it going to make in their lives better? How is it going to meet their expectations? Step 6, you're going to follow up. It's always important to follow up, because there is a study that stated that it takes people like 7 to 12 times of them seeing and being exposed to something before they actually react and either buy or invest or what have you. So always follow up. And that is how you follow up with them could be through your email, because you have them on your list. So, follow up through email, or even you can call. And the final step, number 7, is to provide premium value offer. So, you might have given them that free offer, but now you're going to take it up a notch and say, not only do you have, I provided you with these tips, but let's go on and let's create a fitness plan for you, blah, 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 coaching, personal training, blah, blah, blah. So I hope this was helpful to you all. I am learning a lot through the program that I'm going through. It's really, really easy. I mean, every module I'm learning something new about what I can incorporate into my businesses to make myself more marketable, to grow, to find my target market, how to promote, how to market. I mean, it's telling me everything in simple terms of how to make my business grow. And I'm also paired up, with the Facebook group. I have coaches that are making 6 figures per month. I mean, you can have all of this too. Come join me. I've encouraged you. You can join. It's only for $1, and it's for the month. You can trial, check it out, see what you have, what it offers. And the extra benefit is that you can make extra money from it. So not only are you investing in yourself and you're learning how to grow your business, but you can also be paid at the same time to do it. So it's only $1 to get started. I suggest you check it out. I mean, it doesn't hurt. If you're serious about growing your business, come on and join me. I'll leave the link down below. And I hope this 7-step formula is something that you can implement into your business. And this was just something that I learned, and I'm in module 7. No, this was in module 1. I'm sorry. This was in module 1, but I'm in module 7 now. So let me know what you think. Give me your feedback. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next Go Live.